Joplin, the area, the community itself is a community comprised of about 50,000 people. Joplin Schools itself is comprised of approximately 7,700 students, a single high school, 3 middle schools, and 11 elementary schools.
In my role as assistant superintendent, one of our yearly duties was to go around to all of our schools and help determine what capital outlay projects we would put in place for the following year, what were the needs and what were the wants. Well, before the pandemic, we had been working with Train to help us be able to better utilize our system here within the high school and other buildings in the district, especially the newer ones that we had put up after the tornado, to make sure that we could recommission, so to speak, the buildings so that they were working optimally.
We noticed that we didn't have a lot of consistency with temperatures. We weren't functioning as efficiently as we had hoped that we would. And so we partnered with Train to do intelligent services to begin to look at, first of all, our energy usage, but also the functionality of the systems that we had in place.
The main objective was to really dig into the high school because that was their largest energy consumer within the school district. So we conceptually introduced data analytics, primarily with energy data analytics. They asked us to dig underneath the hood and see what we could find. So essentially, because we had Train equipment and Train controls, we were able to turn on the data analytics and run service advisory tests and just basically let the building come out of its shell, go to the cloud, and tell its story.
Whenever we did the recommissioning of the high school system, we did notice a reduction in cost. That ability to save some money there, to be more efficient, to learn more about the system, I think was another good reason, confidence builder to continue on with Train.
My favorite part is knowing that our largest building in the district is now our most efficient building in the district. Everything that we're able to do to bring that together makes it exciting to be a part of this project from the start to finish and see that we're getting a better product in the end without doing equipment changes, but making sure that our equipment is working properly for us.